Let me ask you a question. Do you currently own a house that's causing you stress, anxiety, and it's more than you want to worry about? Well, what if I told you that I could buy the property in the next 20 to 40 days without you having to make a single repair and having it free of your mind? My name's Carter and I'm owner of CB Home Solutions. And over the past 3 years, we've bought over 50 properties throughout the Fox Valley area. Now, these properties range from individuals who are trying to settle a parent's estate or a family member's estate to someone possibly going through foreclosure on their mortgage or their taxes. And even the normal individual who possibly owns a house, it's not what they set out to believe it would be, and now it's become run down and they need to sell it and they don't want to go the traditional route. But it wasn't like this for them originally. Initially, they had the thought that, wow, home ownership's perfect, this is exactly what I want, or the rental property is exactly what I want. And then over the course of months or years, the property's dilapidated, something's happened in their lives that has caused them to want to sell. Now, the constant thought in their mind could be, well, how am I gonna afford these repairs? Or, I don't wanna spend $5,000 repairing all these windows or roof or furnace, all this stuff. And it's not like you can get away from it. Like you come home, if it's a house that you live in, like you think about it when you're there. If it's a rental property that you have the tenants calling, complaining to you, or it's just sitting vacant and it keeps going and going and going. But how can you sell a house in need of repair when you don't want to stick the money in yourself? Well, there's a reason why you're watching this video today. There's a reason why I'm showing this to you, because we are providing a solution or a problem or ability to solve a problem that you might currently be facing. And today there's that opportunity to possibly change the path that you're going down currently with the property that you own or a property that you're currently having as a rental. So this opportunity is to sell your home in as-is condition without having to make a single repair. We can buy it in 20 to 40 days. You can completely walk away from it, choose which way you want to go in your life, and solve the problem that you're currently facing. So if you're unhappy with where you're at, selling your house might be the option. Or if you're constantly stressed about what you're going to do next or how you're going to be able to afford to make these repairs and whatnot, selling your house might be the best option. And all you have to do to take advantage of this is go to flipfoxvalley.com. If you go to flipfoxvalley.com or click the link down below, there's a form on the first page. It asks for your property address, your email, and your phone number. If you fill that out, I will reach out and take the next steps from there. But before I go, I know you're probably thinking in your mind, like, all these house buyers like Carter, all they do is rip you off, or they make lowball offers, or they scam you out of money. And if that were true, let me ask you this. Would we have been able to buy over 50 properties in the last 3 years? Would we constantly be able to help homeowners like yourself who are facing unique situations? Would we be able to help them by buying their property? So I know what you're going through. I know that we can potentially be a solution to the current problem that you're facing. In the worst case scenario, say you fill out everything on our website, you fill out the form, you enter your property address, your email, and your phone number. I reach out, have the conversation, and provide you with an offer. Worst case scenario, you can tell me, Carter, it doesn't work for me. We can go part ways and go on from one another. But again, all you have to do is go to flipfoxvalley.com, fill out the form, and I will be in touch just as soon as I can. Appreciate you guys watching and have a great day.